Hi everyone, this is Jeff Rose with Twisted Throttle. I'm here today with one of my favorite motorcycles of all time, Aprilia's Tuono V4. This bike has been sought after by riders who want full-on superbike performance in a slightly more comfortable package. That was the premise of the original Tuono back in 2003, and it's still the idea with today's amazing 1100cc V4. Of course, we can never leave any motorcycle stock, so we turned to R&G for a full set of performance improvements and protective equipment for the current generation Tuono. We start with AERO style frame sliders, which provide key protection during low-speed tip-overs as well as faster get-offs. Like most R&G slider sets, these use special de-embrittled hardware that's meant to bend and not break. And this particular set requires no modification of the frame or bodywork. There is simple bolt-on installation. So that the Tuono's amazing V4 engine has protection as well, we installed a set of race series engine covers. What makes these special is that the small pucks embedded in each exposed case can be replaced after an accident, assuming the rest of the cover is in good shape. This saves time and money. And of course, the whole point is to keep the Aprilia stock engine cases from bearing the brunt of an accident. To protect the Aprilia's vulnerable cooling system, we fitted a race series titanium radiator guard and an oil cooler guard. Both are extremely helpful for keeping road debris from impacting and damaging the radiator and oil cooler on the Tuono. Replacement of either cooler is expensive, and a leak on the road can be a serious safety issue. Other pieces of chassis protection include R&G front axle sliders and rear offset cotton reel swing arm spools. Up front, the sliders keep the fork and brake components off the ground, while the rear does the same while adding a convenient way to lift the rear wheel on a paddock stand. That could be for chain cleaning or fitting tire warmers at your next track day. To make sure the Tuono's bodywork is fully protected, there's a set of R&G carbon fiber tank sliders and a boot guard kit on the frame as well as the swing arm. We've done a few things that are largely cosmetic, but can you blame us? These include an R&G exhaust hanger and a tail tie fender eliminator. We also swapped out the Tuono's big turn signals with R&G's sleek micro LED pieces. For ergonomic improvements, we stayed with R&G and fitted a set of tank traction grips. One last item you could also call part of our protection plan is the Denali B6 dual intensity auxiliary brake light, because not getting rear-ended in traffic is what you'd call a desirable outcome. So the last order of business was to give the Tuono some more traveling prowess, which we did with an SW-MOTECH quick lock tank bag. This is the 5 to 9 liter day pack mounted to a Type 300 Evo tank ring. We also made some minor modifications to a Blaze saddlebag set intended for an 05 to 10 Suzuki GSX-R. We elongated the mounting holes, added longer mounting bolts, and 18mm aluminum spacers so the brackets are clear of the bodywork. There are two other solutions using other models of Blaze saddlebags, so you fellow Tuono and RSV4 owners can check out the thread on Aprilia forums. And that's that. Our Tuono is better protected, more fun to ride, and more than up to a weekend full of backroad mayhem, which is exactly what you want for a comfortable superbike. So, if you own a Tuono or are considering one and you want to see what's available, come over to TwistedThrottle.com, click on Shop by Bike, and find the Tuono 1100. You'll see what R&G and other companies have for this machine. Before you go, please remember to like our videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road and the track.